Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected judges and college. My name is Jody Sukman Atmaja. I am a master student in educational technology at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Today I would like to share a simple but important question from my research. Learning is often described as learning a new language, but for many students it feels more like learning without a story. They face abstract concepts, unfamiliar logic, and high cognitive load, which often lead to low motivation and even dropout. This is a raises important question in educational technology. The question is, can the storytelling change how programming and computational thinking are learned? While game-based learning has been widely promoted as an engagement approach for teaching programming, most studies focus on game mechanics rather than how meaning is constructed. Storytelling mentioned but rarely examined as core instructional mechanism. There is still limited synthesis explaining how narrative function cognitively and affectively, and what challenges emerge when they are implemented in real classroom. To address this gap, this study conducted a systematic literature review of 21 peer-reviewed articles published between 2021 to 2025. Using Prisma guidelines, the review focused on studies that explicitly integrated storytelling into game-based learning for programming or computational thinking, particularly at the K-12 level. The findings indicate the storytelling is integrated through four domain mechanisms: character and context narrative, domain contextualization, nonlinear interactive stories, and ER-based or location-based narrative. Across studies, storytelling consistently reduces abstraction by transforming code and algorithms into meaningful or scenarios. Cognitively, narrative function as scaffolding that supports computational thinking. Affectively, they interest motivation, engagement, and flow. In some cases, even foster socio-ethical reasoning. However, the effectiveness of storytelling-based game is not guaranteed. This review identifies a critical contradiction. While a teacher positioned as a key facilitator, limited training, technical complexity, and institutional constraint often hinder implementation. This suggests that storytelling should not be viewed as a design feature, but as mediating instructional mechanism that requires pedagogical rightness. In conclusion, storytelling has strong potential to bridge abstraction and motivation in programming educational. Yet, future in research should shift from validating new games design toward developing culturally adaptive and research efficient teacher training models, ensuring that meaningful learning through story truly happen. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.